Flood zones explained. Should you get flood insurance even if you're outside of a flood zone? Water is one of the most damaging and expensive issues property owners face. Groundwater accumulation, whether from coastal surges, river overflows, or other sources, can result in flooding, even if you're not listed in one of FEMA's designated flood zones. In fact, more than 20% of flood claims come from non-zone properties. If your property is in a Special Flood Hazard Area, SFHA, or high-risk flood zone, you may need an insurance policy to comply with mortgage rules. Even those in mid to low-risk zones can benefit from having a policy specifically for flood damage. But what if you don't live in a flood zone at all? Although high-risk areas indicate those most likely to experience floods, nature doesn't always follow the rules. Storm paths shift, the climate is volatile, drainage situations change. For your peace of mind and financial well-being, consider buying a flood insurance policy no matter where you live or own commercial property. They cost quite a bit less outside of flood zones, and the risk greatly outweighs the expense. A knowledgeable, trusted choice independent insurance agent can help you navigate the tricky waters of flood insurance policies.